What can you say about your first snow experience?
Personal experience. No comment.
Is this snowing or what?
It's raining with snow.
Poor car. Oh, chicks.
Hindi na niya makita. Ano ginawa? Ano yun? Wala siyang pagtanggal.
It's supposed to snow hard overnight, and tomorrow it's supposed to really
Snow.
really snow.
It smells bad here.
Ooh, baho naman. Amoy bugok na itlog. So, dito tayo sa Happy Harry's. Papasilong.
Ito hard. Continuous spray.
Yan, buti pa dito meron.
30. Pero gusto niya 50.
Ito lang ang bibili ng sunblock sa summer, sa winter. Anuhin niya kaya ang sunblock sa winter. And stop.